With microCETI, 3D Micromac has developed the first scalable manufacturing system for cost-effective micro-LED transfer. The brand new microCETI enables the transfer of hundreds of millions of micro-LEDs without having to apply mechanical forces. The microCETI system can handle 4- and 6-inch donor wafers fully automatically, while the on-the-fly square beam application enables most any shape and size of micro-LEDs to be transferred. 3 stages are precisely positioned by 16 axes. Technology modules are available for laser-induced forward transfer, laser liftoff, and single-die repair processes. A software-based quality inspection ensures high-quality laser machining in the process chain for the manufacturing of micro-LED displays. 3D Micromac, micro machining excellence.